to work with a good director, Dean Del Angeles. He is so good that we started the shoot on time and finished my part as per schedule.
Timing mo lang na, di ba rin ko na medyo nakapanood sa camera. Hindi ka pa nakapanood sa camera. Para eksaktong pumapasok yung line mo, pumapasok yung face mo. Oo, yun na lang. Music! Alright. Actually, ang pinaka-heart nung ulalam ni Sarah is ito yung ito yung product na para sa masa, no? Para sa masang Pilipino diba? Kumbaga, makakatulong quality product for a very, very reasonable price, no? This is my second time. The first time was with another food product, no? Siyempre, nung first time, hindi pa namin kabisado yung isa't isa, no? Pero siyempre, habang nakakatrabaho mo si Sarah, she becomes more confident with you, and kahit kami, ako, confident ako with her, no? At saka mas confident ako sa kaya kong gawin with the character of Sarah. Ang nakita ko kay Sarah is, I'm really, this is not because I did work with her, but I'm really very impressed. I've done lots of work with so many celebrities, no? And Sarah is one of those who really, really won my respect, no? Sarah was uncomplaining. She was uncomplaining. I can see that at some point in the shoot, no, towards middle of the afternoon, she was a little bit tired already and sleepy, stressed out. Pero she picks up the moment I say prepare, and makikita ko na nakasilip ako sa camera. She lifts up, no? Kahit humihikab yan, pero the moment andun na siya. She's a charm to work with. And I'm really very impressed. Needless to say, talagang talented, no? May talent siya. And I think she's ready for her major steps, no, towards her career. She should, I believe she should be, doing major things already. She has a very potent role, no? She can help in developing the quality of yung materials that they show for the people, especially for the Filipino people. Ang laking bagay na si Sarah, I'll tell you, I mean, again, Sarah was never a burden to us at all, no? Yung mga fans, yung mga ganyan, given yun, she's very popular, no? Actually, lahat kami nung matapos yung shoot, na-amazing. Sarah, clean. Kasi maraming yung personalities, no? Pero si Sarah, ang linis ng personality, ang linis ng aura, no? And nakikita ng ng mga companies na hindi put-on yan, hindi contrived, no? Ano yan talaga? Mahusay siya as a person. No, kaya nga ang ko doon is that Sarah should focus solely on being professional. Focus on that. Sundin na niya yan. Kasi andyan na siya. Maganda na yung yung acceptance sa kanya, no? Nare-recognize na ng mga companies, no, na yung nagbibigay sa kanya ng opportunity to endorse na she is an effective tool, no? And a deserving endorser of their product.
Nakatrabaho ko po siya first time sa Jollibee, Chicken Joy. At ang galing. Alam niyo, ito talaga yung ano niya yung genre niya, yung talagang alam niya kung paano mag-reach out sa masa, sa madlang people. Yan, yung mga commercials na ginagawa niya. And of course, yung Jollibee Chicken Joy, sobrang happy din po ako sa naging resulta ng TV commercial. At sana po, no, for sure, magugustuhan niyo itong commercial namin nila Jobit at sa ni Glock 9.
Shoot pictorial naman. It is nice that we just did the shoot for just a few hours.
Hello guys! Nandito ko ngayon sa Pioneer Studio para sa pictorial ng Ulalang na endorsement ko po. At yun, si Miss Lala Flores ang nag-makeup po sa akin, si Nante ang nag-hairstyle sa akin. So yun po, abangan niyo po, Ulalang!
Part of the marketing team ng Concept Foods. Kami yung nag-conceptual or kami yung nag-approve nung storyboard or yung suggestion ng paggawa ng commercial. And we approved when we found out that their recommendation was Sarah Geronimo. The concept is really that the product that we have is Ulala. It's something that was conceptualized for the Filipino, our everyday heroes. No? We're celebrating those everyday heroes, yung ating nagmamaneho ng jeepney, ng tricycle, yung masa talaga na talagang ito ginawa talaga para sa kanila. Talagang affordable. It's only 15 pesos. So that's really the concept that we're celebrating our barbero, notaryo, cartero, driver, ganito. We all love her. She embodies that Filipino spirit of being down to earth, nagsiselebrate nung ordinary Filipino, tayong lahat. At alam namin na pagka siyang nilagay namin doon, makikita ng mga tao na ito talaga mapapamahal sa iyo yung produkto. I am the product development manager. So, yung team ko din ang responsible in developing in launching the product. So, ang role namin today is for the food art. So, yes, so mag-food styling kami para makita yung product. Well, right now we have 8 variants from pork at saka meron tayong 4 variants na fish. Unang pinag-isipan natin kung ano yung traditional food sa Pilipinas. Ano yung ating lutong bahay. Kasi makakakonect yan sa mga tao. No?
Na-try ko yung sisig. Sisig pa lang. Pero, soon, titignan ko lahat ng kanilang variants nila. Si Sarah tsaka yung Ulalang, parang pareho kasi may pagkakapareho. They have a very humble beginning. No? And Sarah is a big thing. And also, we would like to see Ulalang, and we see Ulalang to be the next big thing too. So, yun ang nakikita namin. Kaya pagkakapareho nila at masaya kami for getting Sarah's endorser of our product. All Popsters, nandito na po ang Ulalang. Tangkilikin po natin. Ito po ang may lutong bahay taste. Proud po kami dito. And it's a wrap. Tapos na yung shoot po namin for today. Tapos na yung mga trabaho ko po for today. Maaga ako makaka-uwi. Anong oras na po? Alas 3? 4? Maaga, makakapagpahinga po ako. Saka meron pa akong time for myself naman. So, thank you again for joining us. At sa Ulalang, maraming salamat po sa tuwala ninyo. Supportan po ninyo ang Ulalang.
I can say that I'm one of the most blessed artists today because of the trust given to me by the companies I am endorsing. But I know deep in my heart, hindi lang dito nagtatapos ang lahat. I always keep in mind that I should always be an instrument for people to be inspired with what I'm doing. Alam na ng lahat ang mga pinagdaanan ko, and I know somehow that I have done something good to all my followers. I'm very thankful to God for all of these. Till my next entry, much love, Sarah.
And sa lahat ng Popsters, maraming salamat sa inyo. Hindi, sabi ko nga, hindi talaga sapat ang forever para pasalamatan ng bawat isa sa inyo sa suporta at pagmamahal po ninyo. So thank you sa lahat, sa Popsters, sa Ashral, sa Ashloyd, sa Ashrick, sa Ashsam, sa lahat-lahat po ng nagsumusuporta po sa akin. At sa mga nakakatrabaho po. Thank you very much. At yun po, sana po suportahan ninyo yung ulalam, napakasarap na ready-to-eat meal para po sa ating lahat.